I'm back at it, guys. I'm starting to grind again. It's raining and we're still grinding. So let's keep pushing it. Y'all stay hustling, working, and yeah, let's see how much we make today on a rainy Tuesday. Let's get it. All right, guys. So it's been raining like the last few hours. I'm actually delivering like a three-parter. I just delivered one. I'm on my second one next, and I think after this I should be at 100. I'm gonna show you guys how my Tuesday went, and I could wrap it up after this, but we'll see. We'll see how the weather is, and if I keep grinding, that's what this channel's about. It's about the grind, and I am off. But I do also work a W-2, and I'm doing that tomorrow 7 a.m. So we'll see. Should I keep grinding? What will you do in my shoes? Say, it's your off day and you made $100, and would you keep working, or would you like save that energy for your 7 a.m., especially for a Wednesday on Thanksgiving? Let me know. Tell me what you would do. What's up? Okay. I took one more. It's paying like 46 or something. I think this should put me at 150. It's cloudy and it's raining, but I said we back at it, and I said we would grind for the Tuesday video, and I want to make sure we start the grind vlogs again with a very good day. So, by the way, it's also going to LA. 9 miles. I'm in LA right now. I'm gonna drop off this order, and yeah, gotta use carts if you have to. Why not? I've never been here. It's my first time. This new store. Not used to the store. It's in LA too. Oh well. This store gives me the like Sprouts vibe. Looking for some chocolate cookies for the customer. Anyways, this store had nothing in stock. I don't recommend it. The customer didn't get anything. At least, hopefully I get paid. At least that. Reach that Instacart. Let's see what happens. Let's see, gas prices. $4 to. Oh, not bad. I don't like paying in the gas, like on those little stuff, because you never know, if somebody might steal your money nowadays. It's better to just go inside or go with the guy inside the store. Let's try that instead. $9 for 2 chargers. I'm gonna go deliver it. 9 minutes, $9. All right, it's like 9:40 something. I have about 2 hours to get 200. I did not expect myself to be working this late, but I'm going hard because I'm uploading for the first time in a long time. And the grind vlogs, This is what it should be about. Us putting that extra work and putting that extra effort and extra miles and, all that stuff. Like, even when it's raining, let's just work if you can. So anyways, let's see if I could get 200. I was aiming for 100, but I'm trying to get 200. So especially now that I'm at 185, we got to keep going. The last one I did from Walmart, I dropped it off at Studio City. I'm at 195 or 90, 195 point something cents. And I went to Ralph's, hoping that I get one more. I really want to hit 200 bucks. This is for anybody who is watching this video. Thank you. I appreciate that. Hit that like, hit the subscribe. Thank you for your support. But anyways, I'm like $5 away from making 200. And it's already like about to be 11. So Walmart's closing. I ain't doing that. I decided to go to Ralph's. Let's see if I get one at Ralph's. Excuse me. All right. It's about to be 12 in the night. This will definitely be my last order. Gotta get ready for tomorrow and another day of work. And I thought it was late. I guess some people start living it in the night. But anyways, I'm done with my goal. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.